and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I'm going to show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox in Windows environment. For this, what you have to do is go to your web browser and search for Oracle VirtualBox. Download and press enter. Go to the official site of Oracle VirtualBox. I'll give the link of the download in the description. Since we are downloading it for Windows, click on Windows host and it will start downloading. Once the download finishes, just go to your downloads folder and double click on the exe file. Now click on next. Install in default location or you can change your location. Now check the options that you want to select. Click on next. So installing it will reset your network connection temporarily. Click on yes. Click on install and it will start installing Oracle VirtualBox in your machine. Once the installation completes, click on finish and it will start the Oracle VM in your Windows system. So as you can see that Oracle VM we are able to run. So it is installed in your system. Thank you everyone.